Hello friends, in this video I will show how to fix and resolve some Excel options are grayed out, inactive. So to resolve this problem, you can try easy method. As we can see in this formula, there are some options are inactive. Similarly in data, in review, in page layout, in insert. So to resolve this option, click on File, then click on More, and here click on Options. Here click on Advanced, scroll down, and underneath Display Options for this workbook, select this All for Objects Show. So select this all, then click on OK. Now all features will be available. So thanks for watching and comment in this video useful for you. And if it's not working, so reopen Excel.